Hey guys, welcome to LifeBuilds. In today's episode, we are finally taking my 2007 Kawasaki KX450 on its maiden voyage. We did the rebuild on it. Colby helped me. This is my good friend Riley. He's got a really nice bike. We're gonna go out today and we're gonna go ripping. We're gonna throw you guys on some GoPros and this is gonna be a super fun day. Let's get started. Alrighty, so we just finished getting all geared up. It is very cold up here, and some side-by-side owners just pulled up and said there's snow at the top of this trail, so this is going to get very cold. I want to introduce you to one of my good friends, Riley. This is Riley Rigolato, and he is a absolutely phenomenal dirt bike rider. I'm going to be giving him a GoPro today, and he's going to be getting some awesome shots for us. My girlfriend and one of her good friends is following us in the Montero, and then we're going to finish unloading the bikes and have an epic day of riding. Alrighty guys, we are ready to go riding. Let's get started.
It could be too full. Yeah, I wouldn't be worried about it because there's not much you can do about it now. Huh?
Well, so the bike is going to dump me coolant down, but I don't know if it's just because it's too full, because I have a temp gauge and it's not overheating. So.
Yeah, hold on.
Off this thing though. Alrighty guys, it appears that I have broken the chain, or at least the master link for the chain. It's expected, it's a shakedown run, but it still kind of sucks that we're 5 or 6 miles up this trail. So we're gonna have to either get the trailer or we might have an extra master link in the car. that's 5 or 6 miles away, so we're gonna go get that. And then we'll let you guys know what happens. But I hope you guys enjoyed up to this point. I sure enjoyed riding the bike. It was running phenomenally. And hope we got some good footage. Okay, so we have ditched the bike. I left it on a tree, hopefully hidden enough that it doesn't get stolen. And now I'm riding in the back of the Montero, and my girlfriend's driving. Check this out. We've actually found a little bit of snow on the sides here, and there's the rest of the people riding. Oh, nice mud puddle, babe. How you guys doing?
Good. I'm getting chilly.
Yeah, it looks a little cold out here.
The temperature change was insane.
Yeah, I bet. We're gonna throw a few more clips in here of them riding up to here on the GoPros of whatever we caught, and then I think we're gonna be heading back down because it's getting really cold up here. You good?
That's my pride.
Did you go in?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck.
I was gonna do a wheelie next to you guys.
Oh.
But it was a little deeper than I thought.
Hey, but you're having fun.
My clutch is having issues.
Water in it.
He laid over in the puddle.
He is cold. Are you ladies having fun?
Yes.
Zoya is driving the Montero. I don't know if I've shown you this on the channel, but check this thing out. It's a 2003 Mitsubishi Montero. I did 35-inch tires, custom 4-inch lift, custom bumper. I did almost all this myself. Anyways, we're gonna get back in here and get some more shots for you guys. What an animal. So that right there is my friend Riley Rigolato. He is a phenomenal rider and much, much better than me. Here, check this out. He's gonna ride by me again. Oh, nice! Nice! That's so funny. Oh, stalled the bike. This is good riding normally, and then you add 2 inches of snow on top of it, and that should just show you how good of a rider this guy is. Oh no, we're down! Oh, you need help? You're good. Give her hell, Betsy. This This is Maddie, Colby's wife. She's ripping. This is only her second time dirt biking and she's riding a 450 WR. Woo! Nice. Oh! He just soaked me. Oh, man. So I hope I got most of it, but I got some like nice ass drums.
It's fun in there, honestly.
Alrighty.
Yo!
Okay, so we are at the place where I ditched my dirt bike in the trees. We're gonna get that pulled back out and then we're gonna try to coast it as far as possible down there. But that's kind of where I'm gonna stop filming. I'll catch you guys at the trailer. Alrighty guys, we have made it down to the bottom of the trail. Very, very nice family with a Toyota Tacoma. Picked up my bike about 5 miles up the trail and ended up bringing it down while the rest of the people loaded up the rest of the bikes. Overall, today went really, really well. Ran into some snow, that was super fun. And overall, I think everyone had a lot of fun. Maddie learned to ride a dirt bike a little better. This is her second time riding. I got to ride my dirt bike for the second time. Colby got to do a full day of riding without his bike breaking. He usually breaks the chain, so it's kind of ironic that mine broke. And finally, Riley, the guy that you saw a ton of clips with, that's just absolutely insane. Well, he's just had a really good time. So, if you guys enjoyed this type of video, make sure to smash that subscribe button. Like this video, share it with your friends, and I'm hoping to do a bunch more content like this later this year. See you guys next week.